We're in a beautiful bay called Birdsong Bay. We're heading into a marina, and this is just so peaceful and beautiful. We're off the Tennessee River about 2.5 miles up a little creek. It's well marked, and this is where we're going to stay for a while. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of little flatboats out, men fishing. I just actually learned that there are more species of fish in the Tennessee River than any other river in North America, over 200. There also are some duck blinds. Don't know if you can see it in the video straight ahead. Some of the leaves are starting to change color a little bit. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees. The sun is shining. There isn't a cloud in the sky. And we're just heading into this beautiful little place like Neverland.